Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple and quick way to use WhatsApp Business on your PC, your laptop. This can make responding to customers and managing conversations much easier. To begin, open any web browser and search for WhatsApp Web. Click the official link, which will open a page displaying a QR code. You can also log in using your phone number, but the QR method is the quickest. Now, grab your phone and open WhatsApp. If you're using an Android, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the chat screen and select Linked Devices. If you're on an iPhone, open Settings and choose Linked Devices. Then tap Link a Device. Your camera will open automatically, and all you need to do is scan the QR code shown on your computer screen. Once scanned, your chats will load on your PC, and you'll be able to view messages, respond to conversations, and access all your tools directly from the left-hand menu. And that's all there is to it. Now you can manage your WhatsApp business messages straight from your computer. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching.